Hello and welcome to Jessie James Beads. My name is Jem and today I want to talk to you about jump rings. Now jump rings are an absolute workhorse when it comes to all types of jewellery making, as useful in wire work as they are in traditional beading and many other ways in which they can be used. From something as exotic as chainmail to the very basic connecting together of two items. There is, however, a correct way to operate a jump ring. If you'd like to join me down at the board, I will show you that now. So I have on the board for you today an absolutely huge jump ring which I've just made. This is in a very heavy wire. This is raw copper that's been hammered, just to give you an idea on a much larger scale of what a jump ring looks like. As I mentioned, they can be used in chainmail in any different way that you would use your Jessie James beads. They normally come in a variety of sizes. These are quite small. I think these are 4mm inner diameter, so these are perfect for connecting things together. As you can probably imagine, using these particular pieces in a demonstration would be a little bit tricky for you to see. So I've taken a much larger piece to work with, and I'm going to show you the 2 pliers attack. So good quality jump rings should be flush meeting. They should be meeting together in the middle. This is slightly open from where I've hammered it. So what I would do before I used it is just close that up ever so slightly and push it back together and give it a really good strengthening. So jump rings need to be flat. They can be oval, they can be triangular. Generally speaking, we tend to work with round jump rings. So to open them correctly, and this is going to look funny with these giant jump ring and these comparatively small tools, what we need to do is never distort the shape. So to retain the shape, if I turn that up slightly, what we're going to do is just open that out ever so slightly. You would hook in the items that you're looking to hook together. Why don't we just pop on a random thing that I found on the desk? Once you've attached all of the things you want to attach, you would close it in the same way. So I'll show you from above. What we're looking to do is simply to return that round form to its shape. Now you should have heard a little snicked noise as the 2 flush ends travel over one another, and that is the sign that you have got a very good, nice, strong jump ring.